Yeah, it's Ute again, and as usual, I'm enjoying the coziness from my fireplace, my pellet fireplace. So, as I promised you yesterday, today we want to talk about hops, and I asked Google, and it's really pronounced hops. So I wasn't wrong. It's not ops or whatever, it's hops. So it's the same pronunciation as we would say in Germany, hops. So, hops. Hops, most of you know, they use it for beer, for making beer. But it's also used in alternative medicine. And that's what I want to introduce you today to my hops tincture. And like yesterday, this is a tincture and it's made with alcohol, so it should not be given to kids. I mean, they are not getting drunk if they take a dropper full, but I would not give it to my kids. So, hops. Hops, as you can maybe think about, is a member of the hemp family. The benefits, beside making beer, what we are not talking right now, it's helping you with anxiety, insomnia, if you're restless, like stress and all this, ADHD, hot flashes, and menopause. So again, I am not taking it because I'm over my menopause. It's a sedative, so it makes you calm down. There is one thing I should let you know. If you have any condition that are sensitive to estrogen, the female hormones, then you should not take hops. And I totally forgot, the Latin name is, now hear that, Humulus lupulus. So, 2 ounces, made with alcohol, turning the back. So you take 1 dropper under your tongue 2 times per day. I mean, if you need it more for stress, insomnia, anxiety, you can definitely take more than 1 dropper. But this is what I calculated out, and I think 2 droppers per day under your tongue should be fine. And made with alcohol, that means the taste is a little bit like because it's really bitter. So when I make my tinctures with glycerin, they are nice and smooth and sweet, but made with alcohol, I have to tell you, they are not a blessing when you have it under your tongue. But you can put it in your orange juice, in your coffee, in your tea, or you just take a sip of water and then you will definitely survive. So, this is hops, 2 ounces, as usual, made with alcohol, infused hops, and you see the little picture on it. That's how they are looked before I infuse them in alcohol. And $20, as always, all of our tinctures. And I repeat myself, I have to say it because I'm a herbalist, I'm not a doctor. So if you have any question regarding your insomnia, anxiety, hot flashes and all this, you can definitely go and ask your doctor. I'm your herbalist. I can give you the advice what I have from my own experience, my customer, my family, my friends. But as I said, and I have to say it, regarding liability, I am not a doctor. I am Ute, your local herbalist. So this was the video for today about hops. And tomorrow I don't think, what should I do tomorrow? Maybe motherworts or dandelion or, I will surprise you. But I'm definitely there tomorrow. So, and as always, please subscribe for our YouTube channel. As always, see you soon. Ute from Utes-Herbal-Corner, your local herbalist. See ya. Bye bye.